What if I told you a single AI tool is about to make millions of jobs disappear? Not in 10 years, not in 5, but right now. The world just changed. You may not have seen it happen yet, but deep inside the labs of Silicon Valley, one AI tool has already launched and it's doing the unthinkable, replacing everyone. Today, we're going to break down this shocking technology, why it matters to you, and how it may shape your future. Meet the tool that can do it all. This new AI tool isn't just a chatbot, it's an all-in-one system that can write entire books, create ultra-realistic voiceovers, build websites in seconds, design logos and thumbnails, even replace entire call centers. It uses a mix of neural networks, natural language processing, and multimodal AI. It's like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 labs combined, but more powerful. The jobs it's already replacing. This AI has already replaced copywriters, translators, customer service agents, video editors, even some software developers. Companies are investing millions to integrate this tool into their workflows and letting humans go in the process. It's not just the future, it's happening now. Why this tool is so dangerous? Most AI tools focus on one thing, but this one does everything. It learns from you, adapts, changes its tone, understands emotion, and it works 24/7 with zero breaks, no salary, and no sick days. If you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. Period. The silver lining. But here's the good news. You can either fear this tool or master it. Those who learn to work with AI, to enhance their speed and creativity, will become 10 times more valuable. Freelancers can scale faster. Students can learn smarter. Content creators can grow quicker. It's your choice. Will you adapt or get replaced? This is a moment in history, a digital revolution. Some will rise with AI, others will be replaced by it. What will you choose? Like, share, and comment. I choose to evolve.